John Stream Tech. In today's video, we'll be talking about how we can embed YouTube videos on your blogger for better SEO. Now, many people have been complaining about not being able to showcase a YouTube video on their blogger post. And sometimes when you make a post, then you want to, let's say you're talking about fixing any DIY something. For example, let me write a post about configuring 5G modem. How to configure 5G modem. Maybe this modem. Then, alright, if you are looking for a better way to configure your 5G modem router, this is the best place for you to learn how to do that. Configure. Okay, modem router. Modem router. I'm having this post here. Now let's say I want to embed a YouTube video. I'm showing people how to do this. There are things I'll need to do in order to get this. First of all, I'll have to get a very good how's it called? A very good so I want to get a very good video and embed on this very post. So what I'm going to do is I'll come here, I'll go to YouTube. I'll go to youtube.com. I'll search for 5G modem configuration. Modem configuration. I can see many videos here. MTN Nigeria 5G modem review and speed test. We are looking for review. How to set up MTN 5G brand. Change Wi-Fi band on a router, on any router. Okay. How to let me change my searching thing. Modem. Okay. I should get a better setup. Set up TPG 5G home band. How to set up the MTN 5G band router. How to configure Wi-Fi SIM. get a suitable video. Okay, what we're going to do, since we have not written any big thing about this thing, so we're just going to, okay, this one can go. How to install. Now I will now, don't copy this link. You don't copy this link. Go here, come here, click here. If you want, you can view the video if you like. Then click on share, click on copy, then place it to where you want it to appear. I want it to appear here. I want it to appear here. So I can come up and write in this video, we understand fully how to set up your 5G model router and make it faster in browsing. Faster in browsing in any area or in any area. There are many benefits you get from this 5G modem router setup, and you can do it yourself. Many of us feel that setting up 5G modem router is a very difficult thing to do, but it isn't. There are many easy ways to go about it, and it may not necessarily be company. I'm just acting this thing router 5G modem. Just acting this thing. So let's say I've done all these things. Setting up, I've done all these things, and I'm ready to publish. I'll put my edition. I'll publish it. Now I expect this video to showcase. I expect it to showcase what is going on. Our site has some technical issue, so if you face this kind of issue, go to your settings, then go to but our distance is supposed to be working. Our distance is supposed to be working. But okay, since we cannot view our side due to, I don't know, I can't really tell the problem with it. But that's how you do it. You will go here. Let's say you want to add more videos. So you want to add more videos. You can come here. And how to configure. Click here. Click on share. Then copy. Click on copy. Paste it here and paste it here. So once you've done that, then you are practically good to go. Then you update, so you can add as many videos as you can. Don't make the mistake of copying this way or trying to view the video. And let's say I want to embed it on something. When I click on share, let's check out the embedding. This embedding simply means you have to give it shape you want it to contain. You want to give it shape. Let's say I can choose to set frame width. I can choose to set the width to 600, then the height to 350, and the height to 350. Then autoplay. Okay. Enable privacy enhancement mode. Then once I'm done this, I'll just click on copy. I'll come here. I want to paste it here. I want to paste this video. I will now go to HTML. I will now go to HTML. But it isn't. Okay. Component tag. But it isn't. Okay. Let me I'll paste this thing here. Then I'll go back. See how it is. See how it appears. So that's how to do it. The update. That's how to do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please, we appreciate it if you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we can push out more updates and more videos like this. So thank you for watching. and hopefully we hope to see you more often. Yeah.